Today, we're diving into the 10 essential rules of money that you should know. These are the principles that have helped me build wealth over time, and I'm confident they can help you too. These rules are all about taking control of your finances and making your money work for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial strategy, these tips will help you on your journey to financial success. Welcome back to my channel, Tamika Davis-Gooden. Let's get right into it. This is the golden rule of personal finance, and for good reason. Before you pay your rent, your phone bill, or even buy a coffee, set aside a portion of your income for savings. The best way to do this is to automate it. Set up a system where a certain percentage of your paycheck goes directly into a savings account each month. You can start small, even 5 or 10% makes a difference. Think of it like this. You wouldn't let a month go by without paying your landlord, right? So why treat your future self any differently? The beauty of compound interest is that the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small amounts saved consistently can add up to significant wealth over time. Remember, the goal here is to create a habit of saving. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of financial health, yet it often gets overlooked in the hustle and bustle of daily life. It means being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices about where your money goes. Understand the difference between needs and wants, and align your spending with your financial goals. Spend less and save the difference. This simple shift can have a profound impact on your financial stability and future security. Small changes, like choosing budget-friendly options or embracing a minimalist lifestyle, can make a big difference over time. Track your expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going and identify patterns in your spending. Identify areas where you can cut back. Look for unnecessary expenses that can be eliminated or reduced. By focusing on what's truly important to you, you can make better financial decisions. Not all debt is created equal. There's good debt like a mortgage that can help you build wealth in the long run, and then there's bad debt. Bad debt is the kind that keeps you trapped in a cycle of paying high interest rates. Credit card debt is the perfect example. Those high interest rates can quickly spiral out of control, eating away at your income each month. Payday loans are even worse, often trapping people in predatory lending cycles. My advice? Avoid these types of debt like the plague. If you're already in debt, make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. Start with the debt with the highest interest rate and work your way down. Consider calling your credit card company and negotiating a lower interest rate. The key is to be proactive. Take steps to eliminate it so you can free up more money to save and invest. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. Starting early gives your money more time to grow through compound interests, which means your investments can grow exponentially. Compound interest is earning interest on your interest. It's a powerful force like a snowball effect. Investing in your 20s gives you decades to grow your money before retirement, a significant advantage. The longer you wait, the less time your money has to compound. Procrastination can be costly. You don't need a lot to start. Small, consistent investments can add up over time. affordable investment options are available. Start with a few dollars and gradually increase your contributions. Retirement accounts like 401k or IRA are easy ways to start investing and offer tax advantages. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. Start investing as early as possible. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. You know that old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? It's a simple yet powerful piece of advice. Well, it holds true for investing too. Just like you wouldn't want to risk all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't risk all your money on a single investment. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing your returns. By spreading your investments, you can protect yourself from significant losses. What does diversification mean in the context of investing? It's more than just a buzzword. It means spreading your money across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. This way, you're not overly reliant on any single type of investment. The idea is that if one asset class isn't performing well, another might be, which can help protect your overall portfolio. This balance can be crucial during market volatility. Think of it like this. If you invest all your money in a single stock and that company goes bankrupt, you could lose everything. It's a risky move. But if you have a diversified portfolio with investments in multiple stocks, bonds, and other assets, the impact of one bad investment is minimized. The key is to find a balance that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Everyone's situation is different, so tailor your strategy accordingly. If you're not sure how to build a diversified portfolio, consider working with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance and help you make informed decisions. Remember, diversification is one of the most important things you can do to protect your investments and maximize your returns over time. It's a strategy that can lead to more stable and consistent growth. Life is unpredictable, right? Unexpected expenses pop up. You might face a job loss, or a medical emergency could arise. That's where an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that can help you weather life storms without going into debt. It's a stash of cash that's specifically set aside for unexpected events. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Start by setting a realistic savings goal for your emergency fund and break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it will add up over time. Consider opening a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This will help you avoid dipping into it for non-emergency expenses. Remember, your emergency fund is your financial safety net. Personal finance is just that, personal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. That's why it's crucial to take the time to educate yourself about money matters. The more you understand about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. The good news is there are countless resources available to help you learn. From books and blogs to podcasts and YouTube channels, there's a wealth of information out there. Just be sure to choose reputable sources and be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn about personal finance, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. If you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there, right? The same principle applies to your finances. Setting clear, achievable financial goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track. Start by thinking about what you want to achieve financially. Do you want to buy a house, retire early, travel the world? Once you have a clear vision of your goals, you can start breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Write down your goals and create a plan for achieving them. This will help you stay focused and motivated. When you know what you're working towards, you'll be more likely to make choices that support your goals. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It's a major factor that lenders use to determine whether to approve you for loans and credit cards, and at what interest rates. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest over your lifetime, while a poor credit score can make it more difficult and expensive to borrow money. You can check your credit report for free from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Review your reports carefully for any errors and dispute any inaccuracies immediately. To maintain a good credit score, pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts in a short period. Retirement might seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning. The sooner you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow, and the more comfortable your golden years will be. Start by estimating how much money you'll need in retirement. This will depend on your lifestyle, health, and other factors. Once you have a target number in mind, you can start developing a savings plan. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, which offer tax advantages for retirement savings. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. It's free money. By starting early and saving consistently, you can set yourself up for comfortable and enjoyable retirement. Thanks for watching. If you found these rules helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And be sure to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Let us know in the comments which rule you found most useful, or if you have any other money tips to share. See you in the next video. Bye.